Need to add it to our compilation.
The Death Metal Birds, baby. Yeah, we didn't sing the song. Compilation ruined.
We'll clip it again.
Metal Bird, high left. Yeah, they're gonna come from safe. I think I just heard the crane. I think I just heard the crane come down. That was loud.
To the right.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Come right at me. I know you want to. Oh, what?
Alright, here we go, here we go.
I swear to God, I watched it go through it. Hit!
Yeah, I mean,
let's fucking go! Speed! Oh! No, I whiffed the easiest. Hit. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
There we go. You got the attack heli unlocked too.
And I got a roadkill because he hit somebody with it. Just take it. Should just take it. They have a lot of helicopters, huh?
Yes, they do. Fuck.
Oh, I got. Oh, we're about to win, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Oh my God! I think I hit the shot on that. Fuck. Death to the metal birds!
I'm just a gun. My hands loaded.
I think maybe we should get out this way.
Car.
Yeah, great.
Oh!
Oh my God! You got two, Nolan?
I got thrown so far!
Oh my God!
Oh, he's been repaired.
Down! Oh my God, Nolan. Helmet cam on here is hilarious. Delta. Dead! Oh, that was a tank turret in the sky. I thought I was about to get a helicopter shot. There was a tank turret flying into the sky.
There's a heli on Windy.
Hit down, baby! Let's get. Oh. Yeah, you and I slide into B and we do a little capping. Hondo pin drops.
In the street.
You weren't going to combat.
Survive,
they say.
They're coming up where I died, John. Minutemen. Couple more.
Window up above. I smoked you. They don't know.
No.
Rest me. He's aimed at us. He's aimed at us. Dead.
Dead.
Oh! That was sick, right?